Well, snack time's all wrapped up here. As you see, we had a nice little view for snack time, and now we're heading on out to Fiery Gizzard Trail, and gonna follow that for a few miles today and explore some new sections we haven't been on before. And you see we have some steep steps climbing out. And this is really more like a ladder than it is stairs. This is what the Fiery Gizzard Trail looks like once you're on top of the plateau out here, coming away from Foster Falls, heading toward Raven Point. Not real scenic or anything, it's pretty much a walk through the woods. It's winter right now, so we can see through the trees out here and get some views and all of that. During summer it would be so overgrown, you would just have a nice flat stroll through the woods. But don't let that confuse you though, because again, this trail is incredibly long. The section that we're on today, just from here to Ravens Point and back, is 16 miles. So you need to plan at least 7-8 hours or more, depending on your speed of travel. Not to mention just to Ravens Point, you're still in the middle of nowhere. You're from Ravens Point either back to here, or from Ravens Point out to the Grundy section. I mean, that's still another 10 miles. And that's how long this trail is. You need to look up the exact amount and put it down in the little pop-up, babe.
Yeah.
But the distance on this trail is close to like 30-something miles if you were to do like the whole loop. It would take a few days to do it. But today you can see some views out here through the trees. And other parts of the trail, when you go down into the ravines, into the canyons and all like that, it gets really rocky and beautiful. And just when you're on top of the plateau like this, as a plateau, as the word plateau rather, insinuates. And basically plateau, I believe, is Spanish for flat or like plate. So it's a flat area, but the flat highlands. And it's broken up every now and then by streams and stuff that can create waterfalls and other nice things like rapids and stuff. And coming up here we have a little bridge. We're going to cross one of those streams. We have the water running. We're close to a cliff, so we might actually have a waterfall up here. And that's what I'm hoping we have. So let's go check it out. Alright, baby, ready to go explore this area?
Yep, there's not much to see.
Oh, there's about to be some.
Yeah, but watch it this time.
A little waterfall right there. See? And that's what I was saying a second ago about how up on the plateau it's overall pretty flat and all, but you'll get these little creeks coming through to break up the scenery. Give some nice water to cool down during summer. A lot of people collect water and filter it. And that's one thing I think I did. So we're going to go up this way, see we have a nice little point, an overlook here. And that's the nice thing about being on top of the plateau, is that even though it's kind of flat, but it's prone to have these overlooks where you can get some really nice views. And back to what I kept saying a minute ago about, pretty sure we have a waterfall down there. So let's check out this view real quick, and then we're going to come back and look for a waterfall, because I'm pretty sure there's a giant waterfall right there. And I can see it right here. Yeah, it's definitely a big waterfall there. You found it? Yeah, I was trying to shoot over the edge of the cliff here.
There's a rainbow.
A rainbow? Yeah, there's the top of the falls, and then there it's plunging down.
Yeah, and the view.
This waterfall has two stages to it. Has a upper drop here, probably about 20 or so feet, and then it goes this way, drops probably another 40 feet, and continues running on out into the canyon below. So nice little finds like this, even though it's otherwise kind of flat and boring. This is going to break the monotony a lot. And it's quite beautiful. There you go. So we just found this little waterfall here, kind of around the corner. Again, hard to see, but it's out there. Enjoy some nice canyon views. And let's go on. That's where we came from.
Oh, okay.
Easy to get twisted around.
Yep, I think that would be easy.
Coming up to our second creek crossing up here in the fiery Gizzard. This one also pours off the edge of the cliff, so we should have another waterfall. Yes, indeed, we have another waterfall. Hi, baby. Be careful. Here we go. Alright. So here we have Great Canyon view. You can see the cliff and how high up we are. There's a little stream pouring down through here, making a nice little waterfall right here. Here we go. Now we got it. We're gonna get back on trail and see if we can find that low overhang there. That probably gives a pretty good view of this waterfall. Okay. Yeah, trail that way, but only go a little bit off in this direction. See if we can get a good view. I might go see if that rock was really slopey. So I think we go a little bit past that, maybe. Might be a little safer. I got through here. Like that. There we go. That's a big waterfall, baby. Looks like it's a tall waterfall, probably close to 100 feet, and then cascades down even further. Sorry. Well, it sounds like we have our third waterfall for the Fiery Gizzard Trail today, and our fourth one for the day entirely. And a little side jaunt over here to see this little viewpoint. Maybe we can see the waterfall from here because I can hear it. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Too many trees to see the waterfall though, so we're gonna walk that way toward it. But this little area up here is nice. Let's go find that waterfall. Coming up on the small wild campsite, goes off that way. We're not heading to the campsite though, we're gonna go past that. Heading out to this last waterfall for us today, then we're gonna turn around and head back to the parking lot. So this goes on for probably another 10 or so miles to hit Ravens Point, so we're not gonna go that far. Oh, it's like a double stage fall. Yeah. And sometimes in the year they'll dry up, like during summer and stuff, but luckily right now we have just always multiple drops, huh? Yeah, I wish we had a good view. Let's try and see if we can work our way around. It's pretty. That's 4 waterfalls in one day, baby. And I guess technically 5, because remember Foster Falls has a little bitty one to the right of it. Oh, we got a bridge. Okay. Nice. There we go. See? There's that waterfall. Nice little stream feeding it. Let's see if we can find a view of this thing. Looks like a lot of people try to get up here to see it. Watch stuff on the edge and all these thorns, baby. Yeah, it's hard to see, huh? Can you see anything?
Yeah, I see them here.
Here, like this? Or, okay. Watch if you grab the spot thorns and like that one.
Okay. You do.
Okay, I just want to hook it as close. Yeah. Thorns. Okay. Push out a little more. There's a lot blocking this one. So you can tell it's a big waterfall. It drops a few times. We'll see if we can get any better view of it. But for now, you know, waterfalls, another waterfall to check off our list, I guess. Alright. Alright. Oh, yeah. You found it? Hey, there we go. See, where there's a will, there's a way. Oh, yeah. Thank you, baby. Good job scouting to find a good location here. Alright, I'm not going to spoil it. I'm teasing everybody right now. We're looking out the canyon. We're about to flip around. Now you can see that waterfall out there. And right here where it kind of disappears, it's actually going down another little cascade and another fall below us. It's a really pretty waterfall. Looks like the way down to the bottom of it.
I know, right? Ah!
You see more? Yeah?
In fact, I knew.
Yeah, it's a bunch of falls. Like a bunch of stages, I mean.
Maybe I need my phone.
They're all pretty big. Okay.
It's not a...
There's no trails at the bottom.
No, there's no trail at the bottom. See the waterfalls? Yeah, it's actually 3 waterfalls. Just this trail alone. So from right here, this is the step.
Yeah.